All right, guys, welcome to Kitchen Daddy. This week we're making an incredible pan-roasted chicken breast with garlic and thyme and a wonderful mushroom and white wine sauce packed full of flavor. Guys, this is great French cooking and absolutely perfect if you're having a dinner party. So come on, let's get into it. Right, to kick things off, let's grab our chicken breasts. Now, we're just gonna season that up with a little bit of salt. I've got the pan on a nice medium heat, splash of oil, and let's get our chicken breast in there, skin side down. Now we need to add just a little bit more salt. And of course, we need a few knobs of butter. Right, let's just flip them over. We're going to add some thyme and some garlic. And now we're just going to keep cooking them on that gentle heat. Just keep flipping them every couple of minutes or so. And then we want to baste them with that beautiful oil and butter mixture that's been flavored with that garlic and thyme. Right, that is enough color on them, but they're not cooked through. So we're just going to get them into a roasting tray. Let's get them in the oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's about 175 degrees Celsius. There we go, Celsius. Okay, we're going to cook them for probably about another 5 minutes until they're cooked through. But what we want to do, guys, if you pinch your finger just like that, and if you press on there, when it feels like that, okay, take them out. When it feels like that in the thickest part, take them out, let them rest for about 10 minutes, and you're going to have absolutely perfect chicken breasts. Now for the sauce, I've got all these beautiful roasted bits of chicken in the bottom of the pan. Now I could add the mushrooms and the shallots in there and cook them in there, but these are actually at the most perfect point. They're going to have the most roasted flavor. So if I did that with the mushrooms and the shallots, they're going to burn, and we don't want to do that. So we want to make sure we save that flavor. So let's get the pan on a really high heat. And I'm going to deglaze it with some white wine. Now let's give that a good scrape around. All we're doing there is just lifting off all those lovely bits of roasted juices. Let's pour that into a bowl, and we're going to pop that aside, and we'll use that later on. Okay, let's get the pan back on the heat. We need a few knobs of butter, a splash of oil as well. Let's swirl that around the pan. And now that's foaming, we're going to get the mushrooms in. Now, let's add a good pinch of salt. And we're going to cook these for about 5 minutes until they develop that lovely golden brown color on them. Okay, when they look like this, let's add in the shallots. And as you can see, I've kind of cut the shallots just into roughly the same size as the mushrooms. Okay, we're going to move them around. We're going to cook them out again, just on that kind of medium, gentle temperature for probably about another 5 minutes, 10 minutes maybe. What we're looking for, guys, is that really beautiful, deep, dark color. So when it looks like this, you know you've got it absolutely perfect. Guys, this is starting to smell absolutely incredible. So let's grab our brandy. We're going to pour over a good glug. We just need to tilt the pan. Oh, my word, that almost took my eyebrows off, and obviously arm hair as well. But anyway, let's just move that around. We want those flames to die off. We're going to still have some brandy in the pan. So when it gets to about this much, when it's reduced down, you've just got a little bit of brandy there. Let's pour over our white wine. And there's probably about a cup there. You know, we're not really measuring anything. So about that much white wine, okay? Okay, let's bring that up to the boil, knock it down to a simmer, and we'll let that reduce by about 3/4. Now guys, come and check this out. every week I make, well, not every week, probably every other week I make chicken stock. And basically when I make it, any leftover stock that I've got in the freezer, we pop that in, so we just kind of adds to it every single week. And look at this, guys. I mean, this is a beautiful brown chicken stock, lovely gelatinous quality to it. And guys, if you want to know how to make chicken stock, check out this video over here. Check out that. That's how you're going to make chicken stock. I would really recommend doing it, because when you make your own stock, it's just going to improve the taste and flavor of everything that you cook with. So if you don't have that and you just want to make this, just use probably about half a pint of just normal shop bought chicken stock with this, okay? Okay, that has reduced enough. So I'm going to add in all the liquid from deglazing the pan. And we want to add in probably about 3 or 4 tablespoons of brown chicken stock. Right, let's bring that back up to the boil. We're going to let that reduce down probably by about half. Just keep tasting it. What we're looking for, guys, is for it to thicken up. We want it to coat the back of a spoon. When it starts looking like this, you know it's going to be done. So we need to check the seasoning for salt and pepper. And then, last of all, guys, we're going to finish this off with a few tarragon leaves. Now, that's just going to bring this really up to life, give it a lovely freshness, and it's going to work incredibly well with the chicken. So definitely do this with the tarragon leaves. And now it's time to plate up. Right, guys, would you take a look at that? Oh, yes. It's in, guys. We have got the first Kitchen Daddy caps, beautiful leather patch with the stag's head, and of course the Familia et Festum, which means family and feast. So these are going to be for sale online very, very soon. Navy and black. And we've got the Kitchen Daddy t-shirts to go with it. But hey, let's not worry about that. Christmas is coming. You know you're going to look absolutely fantastic in these, but let's have a taste of this. And do you know what? Before I cut into the chicken, I've got to try one of these mushrooms. And, oh man. Oh man. That, oh, okay, come on, let's get up. Guys, if you serve that to any of your mates, they would be absolutely stoked. That is really, really delicious. The sauce, absolutely just packed with flavor. So much flavor going on in there. And honestly, if you do, buy a chicken every week, just keep making the stock. Keep making the stock, because that's what really gives this the real depth and character of flavor. Guys, I'm really happy with this. Get in the comments. Let me know what you think of the caps. Make sure you go to kitchen-daddy.com and join the Gastro Club. Come on, guys, if you're not a member of the Gastro Club already, we want you in the team. So go there, sign up, and then you'll be able to get more information about this in a couple of weeks. Anyway, I'm going to thoroughly enjoy this. Cheers, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.